Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. React Native, Lynx.js and Flutter are all used to build cross-platform mobile applications, but they are different in maturity, architecture, and ecosystem strength. Let's start with React Native. React Native is developed by Meta and allows you to build Android and iOS apps using JavaScript or TypeScript. Flutter, on the other hand, is developed by Google and uses the Dart programming language. Unlike React Native, Flutter does not rely on native UI components. Instead, it has its own rendering engine. Lynx.js is a newer cross-platform framework developed by ByteDance. It focuses heavily on high-performance rendering and faster startup times. It aims to reduce overhead and improves UI. So let's jump into the tabular comparison and the differences between the features. As the ecosystem and maturity is concerned, React Native is very mature as it has been around for quite a long time and it has a huge community base. Lynx.js is newer, so it has smaller ecosystem. Flutter is mature and has a strong global adoption as well. As far as the UI rendering is concerned, React has native components. Lynx is optimized for custom rendering, while Flutter has its own rendering engine. React uses JavaScript and TypeScript. Lynx uses JavaScript, while Flutter uses its own language, and that is called Dart. React Native is near native when it comes to performance. Lynx is performance focused, so it's very good there, but nothing beats Flutter. It's very high performance with smooth animations. So React Native is best for production of mobile applications. Lynx, on the other hand, is used when you need high performance, and Flutter is also when you need high performance with customized UI. So if you want a stable, widely adopted solution with a strong community support, React Native is a safe and proven choice. If you want extremely smooth animations and full control over your UI, then Flutter offers strong advantages. And if you're interested in performance-focused innovation and are comfortable working within a growing ecosystem, Lynx.js may be worth exploring. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in the next one.